some pissed off full son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off full son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
So what's up, everybody? Hopefully everything's going through pretty good. So you see on that camera, I'm wearing my variant. This is not an old video, this is a new video. I just felt like a change. I've been kind of missing my helmet, so dusted the old variant off the shelf and slapped my camera and my mic on it, and here we go. Hopefully my wind noise won't be as bad as in my airflite. That camera sits way over here on the airflite and it just makes so much wind noise, so that's why one reason I wanted to do it too. I wanted to try it out. But anyways, I put my helmet on and never even tightened it. That wasn't very smart. Yeah, let's see if I can find a spot to turn the pull over and tighten it. How many people's done that? How many people's fucking put their fucking helmet on and forgot to put it on? I actually do it all the time. Shit, I don't think there's going to be a spot on this road for a little while. Well, I'm trying to find a spot to pull over and put my helmet on, because Lord knows I can't let go of these fucking handlebars because I got to fix that neck bearing. I said I wasn't going to do any challenge videos anymore, or at least for this year, but lo and behold, Mr. Scout's Adventures challenged Captain Granite, and Captain Granite challenged me. I'm not exactly sure what this challenge is even called. I think it's something about, it's 10 questions to answer of how the COVID-19 has affected your life or something like this, and I've got all the questions right here on my phone, so I can know what they are, because I have no idea. Tighten this fucking helmet up real quick, because evidently I like to forget stuff. Of course I'm gonna do that, and now the traffic's gonna show up. So back to it. So let's go into it. First question: how many rolls of toilet paper do you have at this moment? I have no idea. Couple packages from the old Sam's Club. Had them before it even started. Still have them. They usually last me quite a while. Even though I don't have a gallbladder and I have to go to the bathroom regularly. What I'm trying to say is I shit a lot. Yeah, I got a lot still. What has been the biggest change since lockdown? For me, since I was an essential or am an essential employee, there really isn't a change. This sucks. I hope that light turns green fast. It's fucking hot. No, there hasn't really been too much of a change for me, except for there's been a lot less traffic out on the road. It's been super nice. And they just recently kind of reopened Missouri to full. You still got a little bit of social distancing in restaurants and stuff, but dude, all these people that's been on lockdown, they all get back out. It's like they fucking forgot how to drive. I've been on this road forever, so that sucks. Let's see here. What are your future riding plans? And how has the lockdown affected them? Okay, my future riding plans. This is basically just one, because I really don't do many rides. I don't go long distance riding anymore. Body can't hardly handle that shit. You see that shit out there on the fucking road? Bullshit. I know I've already said it a couple times, but my big plan was to go to New Hampshire, go to Laconia Bike Week with Captain Granite. That's where he lives. That's what my plan was for this year. And I was going to hit up Mothman and try to hit up Toy TVs, hit Sixpin, Road Kings Jonesy, hit a bunch of people up on my way. They moved Laconia Bike Week to August, right on me and Captain Granite's birthday. Right now, since they cut my hours at work, I'm not sure I'm even gonna be able to make it now because, you know, financial stuff. Still gonna try to though. What have you gone without recently? Money. For me, the only thing I've actually gone without is going to restaurants, stuff like that. That's all it's ever. That's all it's changed for me. Going to restaurants, stuff like that. Other than that, nothing really changed for me. Number 5. What are you most grateful for? Well, I watched Scouse's video and he answered this on a YouTube standard. You know, he's thankful for his subs and supporters and stuff like that. And by all means, I am too. I'm thankful for my subs. I'm thankful for my supporters. My Instagram supporters. You know, I've been trying to get crazy over there on Instagram with stuff. But not YouTube. You know, I'm very thankful for, or grateful for, you know, my kids. I'm grateful for being able to get out and do stuff like this. Grateful for, you know, the armed forces, military, to keep my freedom going, that I can go out and do stuff like this. What do you miss the most? What do I miss the most? Shit, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really think I miss anything the most. I mean, I got a few things that I miss. I miss being younger. I miss not hurting. My body hurts so bad. That's about it. I really don't know how to answer that one. Number 7. How long has it been since you've been on a ride? I want to say, because I don't, this question is a little bit sheesh. Like, do you mean group ride or just out riding? If it's just been out riding, it's been about 2 weeks since I've been able to get out. Our weather here has been fucking shit. Just rain, rain, and rain. It is, we've had nothing but rain this whole week. It's 95 degrees, 100% humidity right now. I'm dying. I'm sweating. But I'm good. But other than that, yeah, 2 weekends ago was the last time I got to get out on the bike. What's your favorite quarantine food? Banana splits. I love banana splits. The motherfuckers are amazing. What modifications are you working on or dreaming about? The main modification I'm working on or dreaming about is that Ducati EX Dial S. That's the main one. I want that bike so fucking bad I could taste it. Although it is kind of getting to a point where I don't want it, because you don't see many Ducatis where I live. You see some Monsters, you see some Panigales, shit like that, but you don't see Divals. Fuck, I hate vlogging at a fucking red light. But in the past 2 weeks, I bet I've seen 12 Divals. And it's like, ah, man, everybody's out getting them now. What the fuck? And it's kind of like my Icon Airflite, or even this helmet. Whenever I first got this helmet, you know, I was just getting into motovlogging. Wasn't a super amount of people wearing them, and then all of a sudden it became a big influence, and everybody was wearing these, and everybody got away from it now. You know, everybody switched to Voss or, you know, something else. And I went to Icon Airflite, and now everybody wears fucking Icon Airflite, especially around here. Like, I bet I've seen 4 or 5 people that have the same exact one I have, the pearl white with gold visor and gold spoiler on it. So that's another reason why I kind of switched back to this. I'm tired of looking like everybody else. But yeah, I know I kind of went off the rail on that one. If I was going to do any modifications to this bike, I would turbo it. I found a turbo kit I would like to put on there. It's $5 grand, so obviously that ain't happening. Who are you challenging next? I haven't even thought about this yet. So I got to come up with some people to challenge. Scouts did 3 different countries. I will not be doing that. I don't know who I'm going to challenge. Who am I going to challenge? I know. I'm going to challenge 6-Pinned. He likes doing challenge videos. I'm going to challenge Steve-O FS. I haven't challenged him in a long time, so here you go, buddy. Now you're challenged. Let's see, one more person. And my 3rd nomination is going to be Mr. Redline Runner. I know he's been having some issues lately, but still going to go ahead and issue the challenge to him. As in, he's having issues with editing, stuff like that. Computer's kind of old, stuff like that. But I'm going to give him the challenge. There y'all go. This is my video. I'm going to go ahead and cut it because I need to open his visor and get some fucking air. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share it with your family and your friends and your hookers and your pimps and your drug dealers. Your homeless guy people down the street. Everybody. Why do I always go to shit like that? I don't know. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.